Now I'll be presenting my 3D game level design for assignment 2. Here the player will be able to collect the rifle. After entering the room, they will bump into enemies, the zombie enemies. The zombie enemies are supposed to be able to hit the player through melee attack, damaging the player. However, the AI is not currently working properly, hence they don't do anything in close range. Here, the player will have two choices to go to the left or right door. Both paths lead to the same room, so it doesn't really matter. Here, the player is introduced to a new enemy, the blue soldiers, which are shooting in one direction. However, they are controlling the area. However, the AI is not working properly. I'm putting them shooting in a straight line. And here, the player will be given 2 health packs in case they are hurt from these enemies. And upon entering this room, the player will bump into new enemies, which are the green one. They will be able to chase players and attack them, even though they are of different levels. After clearing the room, the player will come to the elevator room. The player will be introduced to the shotgun. The player can pick up the shotgun, and to show that the doors are linked and like the rooms are similar, I open this door and the enemies here are the same as the other side. So I'll be pressing the button to go up to the next level. After entering this level, the player will be introduced to all the enemies, including our explosion barrel, and all the health packs are here for them in case they are low on HP. So the player will be using the shotgun for close range, and the player will be most likely using the rifle to shoot the exploding barrels from a distance, safe distance, to damage the enemies at the same time while being far away from them. Powerful. Most players will be charging towards the enemies and destroy them as quickly as possible. The player, while reloading, the player can hide behind covers that are provided. The player will use cover provided to protect themselves from the enemy side. Towards with the shotgun and rushing, as you can see. After clearing the whole place, the player will be able to enter this last room where all the treasure is at, all the money, all the gold, and they'll be collecting everything. And that's the end of my game.